Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are making something a little different but oh so delicious. If you or anybody you know loves butter chicken and chicken nuggets, this is the perfect mix for turning butter chicken into a snack and making crispy curry fingers with butter sauce. So let's start preparing the chicken first. If you have chicken tenders, you don't have to do this step, but if you're using chicken breasts like I'm using here, you have to cut them into strips and then you further divide those strips into half. So one chicken breast should give you about 10 to 12 pieces depending on the size of the chicken breast, and blot it dry with the tissue paper so that they're not super wet, because then that is going to dilute your marinade. So for the marinade, the first thing I have is some lemon juice, and then I'm gonna add some yogurt. The spices are fairly simple. I have some garam masala powder, some tandoori masala, some curry powder, some turmeric, salt, red chili, coriander. All of the spices are mentioned in the description box below for your ease, and if you don't have tandoori masala or chicken tikka masala, you can just use the curry powder. And now you have to marinate it for at least 15 minutes up to overnight. The more you marinate, the more the chicken takes the flavor. And also, if you don't have chicken breast, you can also use boneless chicken thighs. Those are really good as well. So once you've coated them down, you can either fry them right away or you can also freeze them for later use for snack. And now to fry them, I have a pan and I have it on medium low, and I'm gonna shallow fry them. You can deep fry them too, but since they're thin, shallow frying works pretty well as well. And you have to fry them for maybe 2 to 3 minutes per side. They need to get crispy. If you're deep frying, if they start floating up, that means they're done. So blot them on a tissue and keep them on the side. Now to make the sauce, I have here some minced onion and garlic cloves. You can use paste as well, and all the spices again are mentioned in the description box below. Also, I'm using tomato puree, but if you don't have it, you can use fresh tomatoes and just chop them and blend them and use them instead. So first thing, I have added a little bit of oil because there is going to be a lot of butter that's going to go in this sauce. So I've added about half a tablespoon of oil, followed by my onions and garlic paste, and then I've added all the spices. Cook it until they are nice and fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes, and then add in the tomato puree and cook it for another minute or two. And then once it starts to bubble and the water is quite reduced in the tomatoes, add in the salt, a little bit of sugar, then add in the butter and cook your sauce for another minute or two, and then add in the heavy cream. If you don't have heavy cream and you want to make a healthier version, you can also use sour cream, and that's it. It's gonna thicken as it cools, so you can adjust the consistency according to your likes, and you are done. Serve it up hot, and I am sure everybody's gonna devour them. My kids literally finished them in like 10 minutes and asked for more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, the homemaker baker over and out.